ప్రారంభించే అవకాశం ఉందా? ఐఐటి సహకారంతో అణుశక్తి విభాగం హైదరాబాద్ లోని ఈఎస్ఐసి మెడికల్ కళాశాల ఆధ్వర్యంలో ప్రారంభించే అవకాశాలు ఉన్నాయా అని నెల్లూరు ఎంపీ ఆదాల ప్రభాకర్ రెడ్డి పార్లమెంట్ లో ప్రశ్నించారు. దీనికి వ్యక్తిగత పబ్లిక్ గ్రీవెన్స్ కోసం రాష్ట్ర మంత్రి పెన్షన్స్ అండ్ ప్రైమ్ మినిస్ట్రీ ఆఫీస్ నుంచి సమాధానం కావాలని ఆయన కోరారు.
My supplementary is COVID BP is a perfect example of how synergy amongst the reputed institutions of India can offer solutions to most of the challenges faced by the country with a minimum cost and thereby make the country Atmanirbhar. In the true sense, in this regard is the government undertaking steps to promote indigenous development of more such solutions to health related issues, especially in the present context of COVID-19 pandemic.
Honorable member has put a very pertinent question, and I would say that the credit goes to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi for having converted this adversity of COVID into a virtue and proved to the world that in this crisis times we can come after one after the other several indigenous solutions, indigenous devices and indigenous formulations. If you permit me, besides COVID, I would like to share with this august house, which could not be shared in the earlier days because of the din prevailing here, although the Honorable Speaker had been requested, that in this very house chamber we have, through the Ministry of Science and Technology and the Biotechnology, an instrument called ultraviolet sanitation, and all the air conditioned air that is arriving at our benches and our desks is coming through that ultraviolet sanitation. So we have already installed that in Lok Sabha chamber and in the central hall to begin with. Similarly, if you take precisely the department which is currently related to this question, we have come out with Neel Bhashmi, we have come out with remote health monitoring system, radiation sterilizations. It is the Department of Atomic Energy again which came out with reusable PPE kits. So we can imagine when the COVID crisis struck us early last year, the country was facing shortage of PPE kits. Today, not only we have abundant number of them, we also have the techniques to sterilize them and reuse them. Similarly, we have also come out with ventilators, and these are the techniques which are being also emulated by the rest of the world. I appreciate Honorable Member for having taken this view and appreciated the several new initiatives and breakthroughs undertaken during the COVID times under the guidance and leadership of Honorable Prime Minister.